Landroid has been a game changer. My yard has never looked so good.
This Landroid is by far the best purchase we've made in 2020. It is the coolest thing. It's a robot that mows your lawn.
The Landroid is a game changer. My lawn has never looked better.
I already have a robot cleaning my floors inside, so this was just a natural next step.
This thing is awesome.
One of the things I think is so cool is that the blades, they completely cut the yard perfectly, and they mulch while they cut, so you don't need a bag or anything. You don't have to empty the bag, which you love, right?
Right, I thought at first, like, where's the bag?
Yeah.
But you don't even need it.
Yeah, he loves the app.
The app is awesome.
I can totally nerd out with the app. I can name my Landroid. I can track stats, how many times I've mowed, how many acres I've mowed.
I can schedule mowings, I can control it, I can check in on its progress.
So right now, my neighbors have their noisy lawn crew over there that they have to pay for each week, and I have this. This pays for itself. The setup was about 2 to 3 hours. It was relatively straightforward, step by step. But once it's set up, you're good to go.
We could have installed it ourselves, but we decided to have a professional come in and install it, and it was so easy and smooth, and I'm so glad we did it that way.
I have a full-time job and I work 40, 50, maybe even 60 hours a week. I come home, the last thing I want to do is mow a lawn.
The yard looks fantastic. The yard is perfect all the time now. It's not just when the guys used to come and mow it. Now it's all 24/7.
Do yourself and your lawn a favor and get the Landroid.